Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, it's by a brand called Litmitts. And pretty much what this is a mitt that you can use for like cooking, baking, or whatever. But the thing that makes this really unique is the fact that you guys can actually customize your mitt to actually look different than your other mitts. So you can add your own pictures onto it, or you guys can actually add your own design onto it. So before I show you guys what this product looks like, let me show you guys how to actually do it on the app first. So if you guys go on the app right here, you can see that there's the actual logo on the brand and everything. You guys can customize your mitt. So if you guys go down, you guys have the option to choose what kind of face you guys are using. So like a pet, or like a regular face, or like other options right here. You guys can select your background on whatever colors you guys want, or whatever kind of design you guys want as well. So there's like a food design, there's like a galaxy design, seasonal design, and pattern design. So there's a lot of different designs right here you can choose for the background of the actual mitt itself. And you guys can put your own face onto it if you guys want to. And you guys also customize how many faces you guys want to have on the mitt itself. So 1 face, 2 face, 3 face, or whatever. And then you guys can put like any kind of notes that you guys have for the designer who's designed the mitt and everything. So definitely a really easy process and everything. It doesn't take too long, and pricing wise it's pretty reasonable for something that's customized, so that's pretty cool. But let me show you guys what the product looks like first. So here is obviously what the packaging looks like. If you can see, they have the little logo there. But I definitely like the design of the bag itself. It's definitely unique and like really cool. And they give you like a little sneak preview of your mitt before you guys open it, which is pretty awesome as well. So let's take it out and show you guys what the mitt looked like first. Alright, so we're gonna take it out. This is basically what it looks like. If you guys can see, you guys can see my face and everything. There's like the piece of design. So I chose piece of design because I think that was my favorite one out of all the food design that I saw. And there's a little face of me right there, if you can see, which is pretty cool. And then on the other side, this is basically what it looks like. So this part is where you guys will actually use it. So if you guys put it onto your right hand like this, then you guys can use it like that. So that's pretty cool. If you guys use it on the left hand, I don't think it will actually work too well because it's not like heat resistant like the material that they use right here maybe. But you guys can try that if you guys want to as well. But definitely a really cool product. They have a little slot right here to actually hang on somewhere as well if you guys want to. And then the inside is like super comfortable. You guys can see that's what it looks like inside. So that's the overall product itself. If you can see, really nicely designed, high quality material and everything. Really cool design because you guys get to customize it. And I really love how comfortable the actual product is. Like when you guys put it inside, you guys can see like the material inside in there is like super comfy. So if you guys really wanted to, just to keep yourself warm in like the cold days or whatever, just put this on to like keep yourself warm, you guys can as well. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So honestly, I think these are actually pretty worth it. You guys want one and need one of these, especially if you guys want to be more unique or special and you guys don't want to get like a regular mitt. You guys want to get one that's like customized, that looks good and feels good and also performs well, then this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. And if you guys want me to show you guys how to use it and everything or how well it works, I'll definitely do like update videos to show you guys how I'm going to use the mitt when I'm like baking or whatever. So if you guys want me to do one of those, then let me know in the comment section down below. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have